Good morning everybody who is watching. My name is Brian Wako. Mbabuza kumumina mwe bali dala kubanga mugobeya all the time. Onako olwalero ndino omukyala, one of the most beautiful ladies we have when it comes to radio in Uganda. Bamuyita Dolly. Yaga kugana bulungi.
Yanziza okumpana.
Kwana.
Yanziza wana buli kumacha.
Kitechi. Fiba ulinayo kitu. Wano weni nze banchi endiko. Anyways, Dory, two ansonga B one ndimkoga kona mnamali munange then secondly as a brand ambassador. So congratulations.
Thank you.
Ndimukula wa Dedelia Alkarij was a travel
services ziraba
air ticketing,
all in one travel agent, air ticketing, hotel booking, holiday packages, bazibagambye bazibera tour activities, car rentals, transfers and private jets. Kuliko ne investment services plus cruises.
Ndiwe no wajifunza.
Munange 2 weeks back wandali yao one of my friends nangamba Afrodite actually tukola na inangamba bali kunonya brand ambassador party kadeli so yawa yali nyali angina taking back ati boss wa company CEO ndoza nango bale ku online abirangala babyetekayo nategera wenkolera then
okay.
Came through na mpeleza message naenda ungapeleza message nga kuyenda mu Zoom meeting na tutandikira unapeleza profile ya company ne website emekebera ko kabiri fine.
Okay, Doreen, I'm so happy ndi kino kiyingiddewo omanyi haso ya mawuli ngimanyi
na
I think ojja kukola kino kisobola Doreen tunangu ngase Jacob omulesebwa Jacob omutuzo omulesebwa
wendeka ndize kana gamba
ne Jacob omugobe yaddala
ate namugoba atya
Toge no yingira kalunga Jacob yaliwo naye je wamuteeka kyekyabawola ne DJ Jacob
tuliba mikwano
pakakati
nekat tuliba mikwano era milimu mikwano that's all
niyo mukijja kukujjakola gye tutasobola kukola
see mixing a business ne pleasure number 1
Jacob pleasure
see mixing
basically tell me about Jacob katono kwa ndabawo delia holiday packages ndabawo DJ Jacob ngali ne Doreen bagenze Dubai oba New York
ngabati sigenda nze ko kibaje bagenda nze kazibula nyumira temwali tulibali ati wati bangenda ne mukwano gwange just
ngola gana cheri wakati one Jacob omutuzi
ba mikwano workmates
ya kwata
aiwa totandikirawo
Jacob
nze munange I abstain
kena ma Jacob gwe manye chibatu tekimuva mubanga
aya manye munange era ati manye friends that's all I'm abstaining for real and it's been like how long it's been like what 3 years
and bakula bolimba Doreen
mo wakana ndi serious 3 years abstaining yes
okay
change agala
ni Jacob
ba ni healthy
okay
kwa mu stressing abasajja abasimba
atelo That's why I am proud of
Swali uchachi ya pasta mkebe. Yali na mukazi we oyo ni bibi yake. Yeah, that's all.
Okay. More about this deal.
About this deal, I want to put it in your faces. Njagala tukole bitu. Njagala fune ideas. Nengede tukushika chini tuchobola nawe kwetu.
Deal yo yatenga.
Njagala tushitamu.
Exactly.
This way how to go out together.
Exactly. Doreen
Asasura is a Muchiga lady. She's a media personality. So a business.
Business. Travel in them.
Yes. South Africa.
Dubai.
One is a policy mixing. That's called friends with benefits.
Okay. Radio internet.
No. Okay. It's a side gig, side hustle. Katwema katugame kubukiza tiketi. Genda out. Ngoba bamadde okaya 1 year 1 week. kaka ofo ina ofo baka wani siri kika ndo hali kaka
Deal ya bande how
it's a very heavy deal. It's been a 1-year contract for now. Nega yeah, heavy. Very heavy just
send the zilimu emitwalo 7 million igamekao
so lazika
but I know it's a
yeah it is
wakude mubiri
kama mrungi
yapo mu we again kati deal you fuck
ko de nayo mutu gomanya ina mutu wanda do muleta na registering ane bana
kubalina unamwaya ndio bale unamwaya kasaka lukamu kubano gamba
Banja never registering when not down. Go in a hotel, Jango registering it. And much of Jango registering it.
and the Buddha paso pasaki
Paso. Zikola. Paso Zikola.
I think
Zikola.
Ade Alex
But what is Paso? Paso Bajimani Alex Sima.
kali simula dole simula
Bananga. Mwe balenyo. Abalabi basanyuka TV. Manya kange bamita Doreen. Era ngo baka bese brand ambassador wal.
keze chibatu ngachi mali mubanga mugambe titajja
Era tujja ambassador wa Alkali Tours and Travel era nga bembagambe nti mujje tubawe the best services tuli wano ku 4th floor ekansanga off Gaba Road era wobo tukano kuzo ojja kuolaba branding za kwa ya kwa Alkali Tours and Travel bagambe room katika room kanziro wakati banaba take a and the services are very friendly abali wabona bali friendly nje basanga bali mu uniforms zaabwe ya
ora banzichiga
ha
Lumichala mchiga ataba chiga muba n'amaanyi
abanyakabale mwena amazina ganje ni banyeta Dorina Sasira ogera batyawo bayina olukiga ndumanyi
mama muchi
mami munyankole
abitata
dadi
kati kyoba oyogera kale yogera mu lunyankole kuba n'abanyankole tebanzira
twine services aha Alkali Tours and Travel twine air ticketing twine hotel reservations twine holiday packages twine investments twine private jets ni bingi mwijaha tubahe services
mwijaha ni nyenda misi abantu barara Brian Okodi
kwa amazi ogagaza
barema kubera mu kulambala kubera mu amazi n'okuga
okulamba
muwere bulungi
kale